Hey everyone, so I'm finally filming my winter Walmart beauty box. I've had this for like a month, I think, and I just haven't gotten around to filming it. So I'm just going to hop right in, but first I'm going to say this isn't one of my favorite boxes. I was actually kind of disappointed with this box, but I mean, that's okay. So this box is $5 and you get it 4 times a year, once every season. Okay. So the first thing in the box is this Equate razor, which that is awesome. I mean, I would just prefer like makeup items. It's a 5-blade razor for women, close smooth shave. And you get 1 razor and 2 cartridges. And it says compared to Venus Embrace. So I am excited to try that. And then we got a Degree deodorant. It says it's new. It's anti-yellow stains, anti-white marks, motion sense, ultra clear, black and white, invisible solid. And then we got a little sample of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. These are pretty popular in Walmart beauty boxes. But that's good to like throw in your purse or something. And here's just a little card, celebrate your beauty. It's got some information. And we also got a purifying, brightening peeling gel, refine and clarify. I don't really use face masks, but I'm always up to giving them a try. And then there is a La Bella Super Shine Serum, avocado oil, and a vitamin E face and body oil. It says it polishes and smooths. I just really don't use stuff like that, but I'll give it a try maybe. And then there's the Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Relief, foaming bath oil and body wash, and then the Aches and Pains Nighttime Relief, foaming bath oil and body wash. So yeah, yes, again, I don't use this stuff, but I may give it a try or pass it on. So that was the winter Walmart beauty box. Thank you guys for watching.